Alrighty, quick public service announcement regarding the Vatrer 100 amp hour server rack batteries and my last video. So, I still had a question regarding the UL certifications on this, so I did send them a message and I was actually waiting for it, but I didn't get it in time before I published that video. So, I am going to read the question that I asked and then I'll read the response that I got. I have a question regarding the server rack battery. On your website it says compliant with UL 1973 certifications. I want to know if the battery is actually certified with paperwork, or is the battery built to UL 1973 standards but is not actually certified? The response that I got back from them was, first, thank you for taking the time to look into the UL 1973 wording and for being so careful about accuracy. We really appreciate it. I checked with our team regarding your question and I'd like to clarify the correct wording. The Vatrer server rack battery is ETL listed and tested to UL 1973 standard. ETL certified to UL 1973 requirements. It meets the UL 1973 requirements through ETL testing, but it should not be described as UL 1973 certified, which I believe I said in my video. They are ETL certified to the UL 1973 requirements. So if you kind of do the whole wording game with all of that, especially with like ChatGPT, it turns out this battery is independently certified. It's ETL listed by Intertech to the UL 1973 standard. So it is not UL listed by UL Solutions, but it has been independently certified to the UL 1973 standard by another recognized testing laboratory. I just want to clarify that real quick. I believe I said that it was actually UL certified. They are ETL certified. So hopefully that clears everything up. If anybody has any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you put those down in the comment section and I will see you on the next one.
Shenanigans.
One last thing before I go is, since these batteries have been sitting in this rack for like 2 days, the brackets up here that hold it to the actual rack are starting to bend. Just FYI.